Today we'll be installing these laser standoff for my Z1. The Z1 by itself, it's pretty low. In order to raise it up, I was using soup cans. And while that worked, it's not really stable and not really ideal. So that's why today we're going to be installing these instead. This is what you get inside the box, these metal tubes with screws at the end to screw them into each other. These are foot pads at the bottom, which I never use, and some additional screws. First, you have to remove your existing stand, and these are held together by 2 screws. Go ahead and release the 2 screws at each corner. Now before you screw the new legs in, go ahead and screw a little bit on, as seen here. Next up, you can pop the plastic cap off to slide a new screw into position and then tighten it down. Once it's all tightened down, you can insert the plastic cap back into place. Do this for all 4 corners. Here's a comparison of the first stand compared to the old stand. As you can see, it's shorter. But of course, that's not really an issue once you insert all of the legs together. And here's the final result of what it will look like. Now the laser module is raised up high and perfect to do any large tumbler I want. Hopefully this video helps you whether to get the new stands or not. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.